Hi, I am Yogesh Bhushan. Today's technical point is clinical research, clinical trial research. Now, clinical research is a meticulous process designed to ensure the safety and efficacy of new treatment and medical invention. Here are the key stages and details involved in a clinical research process. Preclinical research. Now, objective of to gather preliminary data on the biological activity and safety of a new treatment, methods, laboratory, in vitro studies and animal in vivo studies. Outcomes. If results are promising, researchers move on to clinical trials. Now, clinical trials are conducted in phases, each with specific objective and requirements. Now, phase 1 objectives of phase 1 to assess the safety, tolerability, and pharmacokinetic of a treatment in a small group of healthy volunteers or patients. Participants 20 to 100 participants. Now, outcome of the phase 1 is determine safe dosage ranges and identify side effects. Now, phase 2 clinical trial is objective of to evaluate the efficacy and further assess safety in a larger group of patients. Participant is to phase 2 is 100 to 300 participants patient. Now, outcome of phase 2 is preliminary data on whether the treatment works in people with a certain disease or conditions. Now, phase 3 objective of phase 3 is to confirm efficacy, monitor side effects, and compare the treatment to commonly used treatments. Participants 300, 300 to 3000 participants. Now, outcomes of gather more information on effectiveness and safety, which is used to confirm the treatment's benefits risk ratio. Now, phase 4 the objective of phase 4 is to collect additional information after the treatment has been marketed, including its risk, benefits, and optional use. Now, participate in used in phase 3 varies widely of 10 include thousands of participants. Now, outcome is phase 4 is long-term effectiveness and impact on quality of life are assessed along with any rare or long-term adverse effects. Now, regulatory review and approval. Now, to evaluate the clinical trial data to ensure the treatment is safe and effective for us. Agencies involved regulatory bodies such as the US Food and Drug Administration, now European Medicines Agencies. Now, outcomes of these, if approved, the treatment can be marketed and made available to the public. Now, post-marketing surveillance is the to monitor the treatment's performance in the general population and detect any rare or long-term adverse effects. Now, methods is ongoing studies and reporting systems. Now, some example is MedWatch. Now, outcomes of this trial ensure continued safety and effectiveness and make necessary adjustment or recall if adverse effects are discovered. Now, each stage is critical to ensuring that new treatments are safe and effective for patients and involves rigorous testing and regulatory oversight. Thank you.